This is the Klipsch The Nines. And if you've been searching for a pair of speakers that can replace an entire stereo system, these might be exactly what you're looking for. Klipsch claims these powered speakers can deliver true hi-fi sound without the headache of separate amplifiers, receivers, and endless cables. But after spending time with them, I discovered something interesting. They're not just speakers. They're potentially the centerpiece of your entire entertainment setup. Klipsch The Nines, product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Klipsch The Nines are premium powered stereo speakers from Klipsch, one of the most recognizable names in American audio. Released as the flagship model in the company's Heritage Wireless series, they're designed for people who want serious sound quality without building a traditional hi-fi system. The big selling point here is simplicity. Instead of buying speakers, an amplifier, and multiple components separately, everything is built in. You get HDMI ARC for your TV, Bluetooth connectivity, a dedicated phono preamp for vinyl, USB audio, optical inputs, and more. Klipsch The Nines performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do they actually perform? This is where the Nines really start to justify their reputation. The first thing that hits you is the sheer scale of the sound. These speakers don't sound like bookshelf speakers. They sound much larger. Whether you're streaming music from Spotify, watching a blockbuster movie, or spinning a vinyl record, there's a level of authority and fullness that's genuinely impressive. Vocals come through with excellent clarity. Instruments have room to breathe, and the soundstage is huge. Close your eyes, and it's surprisingly easy to pinpoint where different instruments are positioned in the mix. The bass performance deserves special mention. Thanks to the built-in amplification and large drivers, bass is deep, powerful, and controlled. For many users, a separate subwoofer won't even feel necessary. Movie watching is equally impressive. Dialogue remains clear, explosions carry weight, and sound effects feel immersive, even though you're technically listening to just two speakers. Gaming also benefits from the wide stereo imaging. Whether you're exploring open-world environments or playing competitive shooters, positional audio feels natural and engaging. Features and tech. Let's talk about some standout features. First up is HDMI ARC. This might sound boring, but it's actually one of the most useful features here. You can connect these directly to your TV and control volume using your regular TV remote. That means no extra receiver and no complicated setup. Next is the integrated phono preamp. If you're into vinyl, this is a huge deal. You can plug a turntable directly into the speakers without needing additional equipment. It makes building a vinyl setup dramatically simpler. Then there's Bluetooth connectivity. Pairing is quick and reliable, making it easy to stream music from your phone, tablet, or laptop. It's the kind of convenience you'll use every day. Another standout feature is the built-in amplification. Klipsch designed these speakers with dedicated power tailored specifically to their drivers. The benefit? Better efficiency, better control, and less guesswork compared to building a traditional audio system piece by piece. Finally, the extensive connectivity options mean these speakers can serve as the hub for virtually all your audio devices. Design and build. Aesthetically, Klipsch absolutely nailed it. The Nines combine vintage-inspired styling with modern functionality. The real wood veneer finish looks stunning and immediately stands out from the sea of generic black speaker boxes on the market. The copper-colored woofers are unmistakably Klipsch and add a distinctive personality that many competitors lack. Build quality feels exceptional. The cabinets are solid, the controls feel premium, and everything gives off the impression of a product designed to last for years. That said, these speakers are big, really big. If you're expecting compact desktop speakers, think again. Pros. Exceptional sound quality with powerful room-filling performance. Massive connectivity options including HDMI ARC, USB, Bluetooth, and phono input. Deep bass performance that often eliminates the need for a subwoofer. Cons. Premium price puts them out of reach for some buyers. Highly revealing sound can expose poor quality recordings.